I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook grape tomatoes. First, let's get started with the basics. Begin by thoroughly washing and drying your grape tomatoes. It's important to remove any stems or damaged ones to ensure you're working with the best quality. Next, gather your simple ingredients: a good quality olive oil, some salt, and freshly ground black pepper. These foundational steps will prepare your tomatoes for delicious cooking, whether you choose to roast or sauté them for your next meal. For a wonderfully sweet and slightly caramelized flavor, roasting is an excellent choice. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius. Toss your clean grape tomatoes with approximately 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a generous pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they start to burst, and their natural sugars begin to caramelize, creating a delightful sweetness. If you're looking for a quicker method, sautéing is perfect. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your grape tomatoes. Cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they soften and just begin to burst. Season with salt, pepper, and consider adding fresh herbs like basil or oregano for an extra layer of flavor. This method is fantastic for a fast side dish or for incorporating into your favorite pasta recipes. Now that your grape tomatoes are perfectly cooked, let's explore some serving ideas. They make a fantastic side dish, can be tossed into fresh salads or mixed into warm pasta dishes. Try them on toasted bruschetta or as a vibrant topping for homemade pizza. To elevate the flavor even further, consider adding minced garlic, a drizzle of balsamic glaze, or a sprinkle of fresh Parmesan cheese. Cooked grape tomatoes can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.